Alright, so our LG dishwasher, right? It ran last night. I ran it. And we usually use this cycle here. Heavy, high temp, right? And then if you press this, night dry will turn on. If you press and hold it, see, that's off. On, right? If you press and hold this, watch. Boom, but it's still on heavy. Also for turbo too, right? It's an hour. Watch. Turbo, press and hold it. 34 seconds. Boom. So, boom, boom, boom. And then if this light is flashing, it's for your rinse aid. So, last night it was flashing, so I refilled it. But now I'm going to actually clean the filter with just hot water in the sink here. And it comes right off. Water's not hot yet. It's getting hot. Once it's hot, there we go. It's getting warm. It's getting hot. Hotter. Hotter. Hot, 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 hot. Yeah, you can see the steam now. Who said you need chemicals when you have hot water? Right? Clean. Boom. Done. Pull this out. Make sure nothing is obstructing that. Boom. Done. And then, whoop, I can do this, and it will just run like drain. Boom. Let me just leave it open like this. Citrus acid and powder. Nope. Use night dry. Night dry is this button right there. And then if this one is flashing, that top one, this one right here, that is for your rinse aid. And what do we have here? We have Finish Jet Dry, and for our soap we have Cascade Platinum. So yeah. Alright, just a video. And the vent is right there. It's the black from here to here. From here to here. And then the fan is actually behind here. So yeah, alright, that's it. Peace.